Hi my dear friend, my name is Ken. If you want to learn Kyrgyz language, you came to the right place. I have a very simple course of Kyrgyz language, here I'll tell you more about it. This course is suitable for everyone who is planning a trip to wonderful Kyrgyzstan. And it doesn't matter if you have business travel, visiting friends or traveling around the world. Or you might be just a polyglot and just want to learn Kyrgyz language. In this course, I'll teach you the most practical knowledge that will really help you communicate with people during your entire stay in Kyrgyzstan all by yourself. I have prepared for you a phrasebook with phrases, expressions, and single words that you can use to explain your thoughts and ask questions. And for this, you do not need to memorize a lot of theory, learn the alphabet and spelling rules in the Kyrgyz language. Of course, in order to translate individual words or phrases, you can use online translators. There's a wide range of translators, but unfortunately the Kyrgyz language is not so widespread, therefore it is much more difficult to find a high-quality translation that is suitable in meaning than with other languages. The course includes videos with ready-made phrases in Kyrgyz for all situations, a vocabulary with the most necessary words, a phrasebook with transcription in Latin letters for correct pronunciation, and short quizzes so that you can easily learn all words and phrases. An important thing that this course was based on the experience of my foreign friends from different countries who visited Kyrgyzstan. Therefore, we'll go all the way together and I will prepare you for your trip to Kyrgyzstan. We'll start our journey from the airport where, without the help of an interpreter, you can talk to the customs service, pick up your luggage and order a taxi in Kyrgyz. I will also help you learn the most necessary phrases to resolve the issue of housing, whether you are going to live in a hotel, rent an apartment or go to friends' houses. Next, I'll teach you how to interact with people on your own while sightseeing. Or if you are an itinerant traveler, I'll teach you how to communicate with the locals while hiking. In addition, the course has additional lessons in case of emergencies, when it is important to be able to state your ideas so that you'll be immediately understood. It's very convenient, isn't it? But that's not all. For your convenience, I have prepared a phrasebook in two versions. The first one that will be needed to practice the course, the second one for the editors if your path is different from the one I propose. This way you can edit the document leaving only the phrases that fit your trip. If you want to get only the knowledge you need and prepare for a fascinating trip to Kyrgyzstan, then I'm waiting for you on the course.